Show it.
Watch. See, whoop, running the bases.
Make it do, buddy.
I made it spin in circles and change colors, and I'm making it talk and say hello. Field.
Baseball field, awesome. There you go.
And now watch. When I click him, he's going to spin around.
Wow, check him out.
Change colors. Mess him up. See how he's upside down?
Yeah, I see how he's
This is how
upside
you
down.
make him go. You put point in direction 90 degrees on something, and then when I hit this, he's going to say hello for 4 seconds, but seems longer. And then he'll go back to straight.
Well, how'd you fix him?
You have to use point in direction 90 degrees to fix
Oh, so you added that 90-degree thing there, and then he was fixed. So you have him doing that, and then when you click, oh, that's pretty cool. So if I mess him up like this, I'm just making him walk around, messing him up, and then you hit the green arrow, he's going to say, hello, and then he's going to
for a few seconds.
go right side up. Awesome.
Back on picture.
Good job.
I'm going to make him.
High five.
I can make him go in circles and go rainbow.
Wow, what makes that happen?
Yeah, I'll put forever on it. Put turn 15 degrees. Change color effect by 25. Well, you can have any number, but you just have to keep forever on. And then you have to do
Backwards. Take the negative off the up arrow. See how you have the negative there? Yeah, make that a positive 10.
Watch this. I'll see you guys later.
Ready to see him? Go ahead, block him.
Hi.
There you go.
Hi. And you can do this. You can put when up arrows clicked, and then you see the up arrow.
Yeah.
When I click it, he'll go down. And watch. And then you have to put when down arrows clicks, and then move 10 steps negative. And then watch. Now he will go backwards. Okay. And then you go up, put when right arrow and left arrow is clicked, and you go up, put it turn 15 degrees.
Good job, high five.
Or scratch, okay? I'm going to be making him run bases.
Let me see, he's gonna make that little guy.
Okay, run to here, and then he's going to go to here, and then back
And
home.
I'll show it.
Watch. See, whoop, running the bases. Okay?
Awesome,
And
how'd you do it?
Okay, see, we're going to go to here. We're going to hit go to X80, Y14. 1 6 2 X negative 15, Y negative 15.
Where's that take him?
That will take him to first. Glide 1 6 2 X 282, Y 0. That will take him to third.
Okay.
And then glide 1 6 2 87, Y 18 will take him back home.
Awesome, do it one more time. Let's see it one more time.
Okay.
Click that green flag.
Ooh.
Awesome. Good job again.
We're still here.